Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll share with you my day and night simple skincare routine. So without further ado, let's begin. I'll start with my Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, and I use it in combination with my Radiance Skincare System, which have 4 heads, 1 for the body, 2 for the face, including an exfoliating one, and 1 that is softer just for cleaning. Plus, it have a nice pumice head. For my face, I prefer the softer brush, so I just go ahead and wet my face with the brush and then work this product all over my face, paying more attention around my nose and my chin where I have a few breakouts at the moment. And now that my face is clean, I'll use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore-Tight Toner, and I'm just going ahead and apply it with my hands. And even before the toner dries down, I'll use the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. Once again, I'll use my hands to apply it. Moving directly to the eyes, I use the Vichy LiftActiv Eye Serum. This is supposed to work for eyes and lashes. I don't know if it does something for the lashes, but I really like the sensation of this cream. The texture is really rich and moisturizing, and it works well under when you put makeup on top. For moisturizer, I'm using the Collagen Power Firming Enriched Cream from Mizon. This is like a really rich cream. A little bit goes a long way, just to make sure that apply just a little bit, because when apply other products on top, it can get a little bit clumpy. And to finish my daytime skincare routine, I'll be using the Missha's Soft Finish Sun Milk SPF 50. And I love this SPF because it's so lightweight and gives the skin like a glow that stays all day. And even if you don't put makeup up top, your skin will look amazing all day. For the night routine, I will just use the same brush, the same cleanser. The only thing that will change is that if I use makeup that day, maybe I will use an eye makeup remover or something like that. If not, I'll just go with the same cleanser and same brush. Then I will use Rosewater with my NuFACE mini facial toning device. Honestly, I don't know if I'm using it right or not. I just like how it feels. It's really cold to the skin. The massage, it feels good, and I feel like my skin, it looks more radiant, more fresh, more like alive after using this little device. And at night for the eyes, I like to use this StriVectin Peptight 360 Tightening Eye Serum. I usually don't use like the little applicator that comes with the tube. I just apply a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I'll pat it into the eye area. And to complete my night routine, I like to use the Lancôme Lift Multi-Action Night Cream, and I'll just go ahead and apply this all over my face and my neck as well. And as a bonus point for my Radiance spin brush, I love to use the pumice head just around my fingernails to get rid of that hard skin that sometimes builds up around the nails. It works wonders for it. think that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or want information about any of the products that I used today, I'll leave them in the description box below. And that's it. See you next time. Bye.